Okay, welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today I'm going to show you my Barbie dream house. So we turn it around like this, and we open it up, and it turns into her whole bedroom. Just make it a little perfect. So, these are her clothes to go to school, right in this closet. And her big fridge. And now we're going to set up Barbie. And she is going to have a sleepover with her friend. And she's, oh, I can't wait for my sleepover with my friend. I better set her bed up before she comes. So she flips the bed over and opens up like that. And then she is waiting for her friend to come over. She says, I'm going to have a little rest before my friend comes over. So she has her blankets. Oops, and I forgot her pillow. And so her friend is going to run. But she's not going to run quite just now. So we have her ball shoes. And we have her party shoes. And we have her walking shoes. And we have her dancing shoes. Because Barbie has a lot of shoes, you know. And she has her friend's shoes when her friend comes over. And these are extras just in case she loses any. And so here so the chair goes there, and then the telephone, and her journal that she writes in just before bed. And she says, oh, that was a nice nap. So she gets off her bed, and we make her bed again. And then she says, oh, I must set up the table so we can have ice cream together. And we have her blow dryer right there. And her crown and her special nights and her basketball purse. Ball purse. Soccer purse, And so, there's the steps. And Barbie's still waiting for her friend to come over. her breakdown and says, "Oh, what a wonderful house, Barbie." I know. Some workers made it, and they're very good at marking. Oh no, my dress started up. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, sorry, Barbie. Can we have our ice cream now, please? All right. You just sit up on your bed, and then we'll start the ice cream party. Oh, thanks, Barbie. So she wants to have some ice cream, too. I can't wait for our ice cream. What kind would you like? We have banana split, and we have some vanilla strawberry ice cream, and a big chocolate container of ice cream. Oh, I would like, please, banana split ice cream. Oh, why thank you, Barbie. And so she said, well, I want to have mine now. So she said, I'll get my tray so I don't spill. And she says, oh, I would just love the raspberry vanilla ice cream. And a spoon. And she says, do you have any nice frosting? Of course I do. Good. Nice chocolate frosting. Now, yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Now it's time to go over. I'm done my food. And 2 spoons. And she says, thanks for coming over. Oh, bye. Oh. Now I might wear my shoes and go. So she puts one shoe on here. And the other shoe on here. And she says, bye, Barbie. And she went back home with her bike. Put her table away. Well, guess I'll sit at my bed. No more guests are coming. Oh, well, now I must go to the ball and get. Now, what I have to do is, take my purse, and then I'm ready to go. Now I'm ready to go to the shop. Oh no, I'm not certainly. I must put my ball shoes on. ball shoe. Oh, now I must be ready to go to the ball. Not just yet. I still have to put on my lovely, joyful crown. And then I'll be ready. Oh, now I must go to the ball and then go to bed and then Ah, that was a nice, lovely one at the ball. Now it's late. I must get to bed. Oh. Now she takes her ball shoes off. Ow. La, 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 la. Don't go to the ball, Barbie. Now she puts her inside shoes on. Like that. And then she says, oh my gosh, it's very late, I must get to bed. Sorry for making her snore. It's time to go. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Goodbye. Thank you for... I don't know what you mean. Subscribe my videos, okay? Subscribe my videos, please. Tiny Treasures. Thank you.